What's up, everybody? Chris from Full Steam Designs. I got something real quick that I want to show you guys. I think this is really helpful. You probably see in a lot of the various CNC groups people coming in and asking for help with converting an image to a vector. I've even done it myself, and you probably have too. And all of the Carveco software offers this great feature called Bitmap to Vector, which will allow you to convert images. So I just wanted to show you quickly how this works. Let's go ahead and right click over here on Bitmap, and we will import an image. We'll just select the one that we want, and we're going to go down to scaling and click fit, then click open. And let's switch over to 2D view. You could do this in 3D if you wanted. So now all we're going to do is click on this button here, Bitmap to Vector. And you can use a number of different image types for this. This one here is a JPEG. So what we're going to want to start with is clicking this button here, Reduce Colors. And you can see we've got 251 different colors in this image, but some of them are very similar. So like these golds or yellows here. So let's go ahead and start scaling it down. Get this out of the way. And we get down to 5 different colors. It looks like now we've got it pretty simplified. Let's go ahead and bump it back up to 6 though. There's just something I want to show you. So we'll go ahead and click apply. Now, if I left click on a color, it goes in as my primary. And then if I right click, it goes in as my secondary. I can click this little button here, and that'll link those two together. You can see the little bar linking them. So sometimes the software may not select the colors exactly how you're wanting them to be grouped together. So you could go ahead and do it manually if you had to. Now let's just come down and let's go ahead and select this yellow. And you'll see that it shows up here as our primary color. We'll just click Create Vector. Let me turn the contrast down on that. And you can see that it outlined all of that yellow. And our text looks really clear. It really does a great job. So now we can bring that contrast back up. And let's go ahead and select this black or charcoal color here. And again, you can see we've got that selected as primary. We'll click Create Vectors. And that's looking pretty good. That's pretty much everything that we want there. We can go ahead and select this part here and delete it. We can completely turn that bitmap off by clicking on these light bulbs. So now we've got our vector. We can go ahead, if we wanted to do our design in the program here, start setting up toolpaths, we could do that. But you can also just export this. If we select it and come to Vector and then Export, you could export this as an SVG that anybody can use. So not only is this going to be helpful for you in creating your own images, but again, think about how many times you've seen someone looking for help to have this done. This is something you could easily make $5–10 off of each time you do it, and it really only takes a couple minutes for a lot of them. If you're interested in checking this software out, I'm going to put an affiliate link and also a discount code down in the description to save you some money. So make sure you check that out, and I will see you guys over on this next video.